What if I say you don't need a silver eyeshadow to create a silver eyeshadow look? Hey guys, this is Chandni. So let's dig into the video. First, I'm applying a concealer on my lid space to cancel any redness. This one's from Lakme. Then lightly dusting a loose powder from K-Beauty. After that, taking Faces Canada Ultime Pro kajal, first I'm using on my lower lash area, and smudging and setting with a black eyeshadow. The palette used here is Patricia Bright Rich in Life palette from Makeup Revolution London. Then applying the kajal or the kohl to tight line. After that, I'm using the same kajal to cover my lid space. Here, a gel liner will also do a great job. This black kajal will create the base. Don't be scared and trust the process. The lines need not to be perfect, we will blend it anyway. Here, any light eyeshadow which is close to white, like this one, which is a very light shade of brown, can be taken to smudge the kajal. Blending is the key to this look. I am taking some more of this eyeshadow to create a little light base. Then I took this brown shade to add a bit warmth to the look into my crease area. And now the silvery part. I am using the light glittery shade which is like a champagne color, yet it is giving a silver foiled look, and mainly focusing on the middle portion. And this kind of shades work best with fingers. For my brow bone, I am using a matte white shade, and for my inner corners too. For my inner corners, I ended up using the champagne glittery shade. After brushing and curling my lashes, I am using Myglamm Twisted Mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Here I have used Swiss Beauty Falsies, and to hide the lash glow shine using the matte black eyeshadow. That's it, you are party ready in a glam way. Hope you guys like it. If yes, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell notification button for more updates.